This customized stir-fry recipe is a nourishing meal that allows you to easily swap your own favorite ingredients in. Today we're making stir-fry for 2 people, but the recipe can be easily adjusted for larger families. We'll need stir-fry sauce, 2 cups of vegetables, 6 to 8 ounces of a protein, and 2 servings of whole grain. First, prepare the sauce you want to cook the stir-fry in. We are making a soy ginger sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and half teaspoons of ginger and garlic powder in a small bowl. If you'd like the sauce spicier, add hot sauce. To make a peanut or curry sauce, you can add a spoonful of peanut butter or sprinkle in some curry powder. Now, set aside the sauce. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite vegetables. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. Today I chose some vegetables I needed to use up for my fridge. Carrots, snap peas, shredded cabbage, and bell pepper. Wash the vegetables and chop or slice them into bite-sized pieces. Next, you'll need 6 to 8 ounces of cooked protein. You can try chicken, beef, pork, seafood, tofu, or beans. Today I'm using chickpeas. Add your chopped vegetable to the skillet with a teaspoon of oil. To make sure everything is cooked through, start with harder vegetables like carrots, snap peas, and bell peppers. Once the hard vegetables are getting soft, add in softer vegetables like cabbage. Once the vegetables are mostly soft, add in the sauce you have prepared and bring it to a simmer, mixing well with the vegetables. Add the protein to the skillet and let everything cook in the sauce until well heated. You can serve this stir-fry over a whole grain of your choice. Try a serving of brown rice, quinoa, farro, or whole grain noodles. I'm finishing off my stir-fry with some fresh cilantro. This recipe is great for using up extra ingredients and making a meal that is full of nutrients.